Kikombe cha umbea kimeshadunda mezani, yani
chai ya moto show.
Hello great viewers and great people of Choice Kenya official TV. Again on this channel, allow me to welcome you as you continue to subscribe. And for the first comer in this channel, please consider subscribing because we are continuing bringing for you more news from the social media platforms that we have in Kenya. Now, possibly you may wonder why we are giving these facts from DJ Fatxo case, and I want to give you some barely open facts about DJ Fatxo. You remember very well there is a continuing case that is handled well by the DCI. Now, putting that aside, is that what we know about Jeff Mwadhi case right now, if we try to speculate what is going on, is that Jeff is dead, and of course Jeff died in DJ Fatxo house, as it was reported, and what others says is that DJ Fatxo has a hand in it, and of course we know very well that there is no a fact about this. Now, whatever thing you should understand as a person or as a normal citizen is that DJ Fatxo also deserve a fair representation despite the accusation he's facing right now. Why am I saying this? It's because at Spa now, no one knows exactly what happened in that apart from Jeff and those who killed him. And also, no one among us yapping on social media knows if DJ Fatxo killed Jeff. That we don't know about it. No one among us backing on social media. You remember very well, it was told on social media, and it was circulating on social media that Jeff was sodomized and something like that. But my good people, I'll rather tell you that no one among us backing on social medias knows if DJ Fatxo sodomized Jeff. No one among us crying on social media knows if Jeff was actually killed or he committed suicide. Of course, we remember very well on though on phase 1 of DCI they came to unclose or reveal that Jeff was killed but not committing suicide. But then we are left to speculate and follow some leads. Suddenly Jeff is dead and voiceless. Of course, he can't tell his side of story. We can only wish police officers investigating the death will collect data and will enable killers be unmasked. Now, who are the killers? Who are the killers? I know this is the big question that many Kenyans are asking themselves. Who are the killers? We actually don't know, because I don't think there is anyone who can stand and say Fulani and Fulani are the killers. Now, was DJ Fatxo among the killers? That's another question that is rising. We actually don't know that if DJ Fatxo was among the killers who sodomized Jeff, because there was that story in social media. We actually don't know who sodomized Jeff. If so, he was sodomized. Now, was DJ Fatxo among the sodomizers? We don't know. Okay, you know, the reason as to why I'm saying this is because I can't defend or what I can't defend who or what I don't know. I can't say if the Duke of Mugithi or Mwanawa Motumia, well known as DJ Fatxo, is guilty, innocent, or even aided the crimes. That is something that I can't tell, and I can't witness something like that. Now, also, I can't bash DJ Fatxo because I'm not anywhere near the truth that DJ Fatxo maybe at one point or another committed suicide, and not committed suicide, killed Jeff. Now, even those on social media, they are very bitter and of course knows nothing, because if you try to look into these things, many people are saying without clue of what is happening, and also depending on CID and DCI to check on this story and to reveal the truth. So if they knew the truth, they could go onwards to do whatever they want with justice for Jeff. Now, all the bitterness are as a result of maybe some of them, not all. Of course, there is those who are genuine, but most of them is out of hypocrisy and hate, maybe in one way or the other. And allow me to say that. And if maybe I've said it with I pardon that statement. Then even those on social media, you remember very well, some of those are very bitter about Jeff Jeff case are doing it maybe in one way or the other to mess DJ Fatxo name. You remember very well, no one knows exactly if DJ Fatxo killed Jeff or at any point is close to be related to Jeff case. Now, it's not bad to hear your feelings, of course, but it is very wrong to crucify DJ Fatxo for a crime you didn't witness him committing. Right now, we know very well we are on our Easter holidays, and Jesus, you remember those who presented Jesus to Pilate, they said Jesus is claiming to be the king of Jews, but they didn't have any evidence as to as the reason as to why maybe Jesus was claiming to say that he was the king of Jews, and he was ended up to be crucified of the things that he never did. All right, and that's where Jesus even said forgive them their sins, for they do not know what they are doing. Now, tell me what is your feeling in the comment section as we wait for the next video. My name is Uncle Joss.